Hello, today I'm going to show you how I solved a Rubik's Cube at the age of 7 years old. This video is just a brief overview of how I was a really curious child and how I loved to solve Rubik's Cubes. And one day I decided to buy a Rubik's Cube, after which I used the internet using algorithms from the internet and tutorials to solve the Rubik's Cube. And I'm just going to show you how I solved the Rubik's Cube. And yeah, I'm also going to solve the Rubik's Cube as evidence in this video. So here is the YouTube video I used at the age of 7, which was 5 years ago, to use these algorithms with the exact guidelines to create scenarios after which I could solve the Rubik's Cube easily. So I'm just going to show you how I solved the Rubik's Cube. Here is a Rubik's Cube, and so basically first main goal is to solve the white side, after which you create a scenario where you could solve the Rubik's Cube. And now so basically the algorithms in the screens are the letters for each move you should make. So for example, an F over here means that you move your front face to the right, or a R could mean you move your right face up, like this. So basically I just followed these guidelines, and I'm just gonna go ahead and solve the Rubik's Cube for you. So as we can see, I followed the algorithm over here to create a scenario by which I could easily solve the Rubik's Cube. And here's the solved Rubik's Cube, and thank you.